What do James Dean, Marilyn Monroe and River Phoenix all have in common? Yes, they were all famous Hollywood stars, and yes, they had great talent and were admired all over the world. But unfortunately, they all left us too soon. They were denied the opportunity to grow old, while their fans were denied even more memorable on-screen performances. Hollywood has lost a number of well-loved stars over the years. We take a closer look at 3 of them who died before their time. On the 22nd of January 2008, Hollywood A-lister Heath Ledger was found dead in his Manhattan apartment. He was 28. The Australian actor's unexpected passing sent shockwaves through Hollywood, not least for director Terry Gilliam, who had been working on what was to become Heath's final movie, The Imaginarium of Dr. Parnassus.
It was so close. I mean, he was part of the family, Heath was.
The Brokeback Mountain actor will be remembered as a risk-taker who wasn't afraid of taking on interesting and challenging roles.
I thoroughly enjoy investigating life and its complexities.
Ledger's death resulted from an accidental mixture of prescription medication. He was survived by 2-year-old daughter Matilda Rose, who he'd had with Hollywood actress Michelle Williams. On the 14th of September 2009, Patrick Swayze, one of Hollywood's most beloved actors, died in Los Angeles, aged 57. The Dirty Dancing star initially struggled with the concept of being famous, scared by the intense media attention, as well as the trappings of his celebrity status.
I'm not so insecure anymore. You know, I feared that maybe I didn't have talent.
But the ghost star managed to overcome these difficulties, and after much soul-searching was at peace with both his celebrity and within himself.
And I've now gotten to the place where I realize, no, I can maybe achieve, as long as I keep my focus on growth and stay out of my ego and keep, putting one step in front of the other and moving forward in my life, that maybe I really can be a wonderful actor by the time I'm dead,
Swayze died after a long battle with pancreatic cancer, with his family and wife of 24 years at his side. In December 2009, Brittany Murphy was a talented and beautiful 32-year-old with a blossoming Hollywood career. But then, one morning, she collapsed and died at her home in Los Angeles. Despite her success, she was known for being very down-to-earth, one of the friendliest people in the business.
Thank you for being here.
As well as being a successful actress, voiceover, model and dancer, she was also considered an excellent singer.
I love to sing, so I've been doing it for a while. I was never really formally trained as a singer or an actor, just in dance.
Murphy died of pneumonia and complications from over-the-counter medication. 5 months later, her British film producer husband, Simon Monjack, also passed away from the same symptoms. Heath Ledger, Patrick Swayze and Brittany Murphy. 3 Hollywood stars who left us too soon.